Hi, I'm Robin Miller, and welcome to Homemade at Hawthorn. Smart and simple recipe ideas that help you stay you, even on the road. So let's talk about rotisserie chicken. We all love it. Quick, easy, hot, delicious meal on a busy weeknight. But what about other ways to use it? I have 3 great, simple, and delicious recipe ideas for that one rotisserie chicken. First, my chicken chili, a simple combination of shredded rotisserie chicken, pureed tomatoes, and canned chili beans. You simply put everything together in a saucepan and simmer for about 10 minutes. Then spoon that hearty chili into a bowl or even a bread bowl and sprinkle with some shredded cheddar cheese. Fast and delicious chicken chili on a busy weeknight. My second recipe, chicken pot pie. All you need to do is combine shredded rotisserie chicken, a can of diced tomatoes, and a can of diced potatoes. Put that in a saucepan, simmer for about 10 minutes, and then spoon that into a bowl or a hearty mug and top with a warm biscuit or a piece of cornbread. My last recipe is curried chicken. You take cubed rotisserie chicken and put it in a saucepan with a can of coconut milk and Thai red curry paste. Just bring that to a simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes and you've got curried chicken. I like to serve mine with naan bread or roti. 3 delicious recipes, 1 rotisserie chicken. For these and other travel-savvy recipes, visit hawthorn.com/homemade.